Hi Rolex. Hi Rolex. Salut Rolex. Salut Rolex. What are you planning to do today? What are you planning to do today? Ki sa ou planifié pour faire jodi a? Ki sa ou planifié pour faire jodi a? I am not sure yet. I am not sure yet. Mwen pa fin si. Mwen pa fin si. Would you like to have lunch with me? Would you like to have lunch with me? Est-ce que ou ta remè manger midi avec moi? Est-ce que ou ta remè manger midi avec moi? Yes. When? Yes. When? Oui. Qu'il est? Oui. Qu'il est? Is 11:30 a.m. okay? Is 11:30 a.m. okay? Est-ce que 11h30 ok? Est-ce que 11h30 ok? Sorry, I didn't hear you. Sorry, I didn't hear you. Désolé, mwen pa tande ou. Désolé, mwen pa tande ou. Please, can you say that again? Please, can you say that again? S'il vous plaît, est-ce que ou ka di ça encore? S'il vous plaît, est-ce que ou ka di ça encore? I said 11:30 a.m. I said 11:30 a.m. Mwen te di 11h30 a.m. Mwen te di 11h30 a.m. Oh, I am busy then. Oh, I am busy then. Oh, mwen okipe le sa. Oh, mwen okipe le sa. Can we meet a little later? Can we meet a little later? Est-ce que nous ka rencontre yon ti kras pita? Est-ce que nous ka rencontre yon ti kras pita? Okay. Where? Okay. Where? Okay. Ki kote? Okay. Ki kote? How about the restaurant in front of the bank? How about the restaurant in front of the bank? E restaurant ki devant bank lan. E restaurant ki devant bank lan. Okay, I will meet you there. Okay, I will meet you there. Okay, mwen pral renkontre ou la. Okay, mwen pral renkontre ou la. And then we can eat the seafood. And then we can eat the seafood. Et puis là ça, nous ka manger fruit de mer yo. Et puis là ça, nous ka manger fruit de mer yo.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, monsieur. I need a table for two, please. I need a table for two, please. Mwen bezwen yon table pour deux, tant pis. Mwen bezwen yon table pour deux, tant pis. Please, take a seat. Please, take a seat. S'il vous plaît, prends yon chaise. S'il vous plaît, prends yon chaise. Thanks. Thanks. Merci. Merci. Your waitress will be with you in a moment. Your waitress will be with you in a moment. Serveuse a pral avec ou nan yon moment. Serveuse a pral avec ou nan yon moment. Hello, sir. Would you like to order now? Hello, sir. Would you like to order now? Bonjour, monsieur. Est-ce que vous t'aimez commander kounye a? Bonjour, monsieur. Est-ce que vous t'aimez commander kounye a? Yes, please. Yes, please. Oui, s'il vous plaît. Oui, s'il vous plaît. What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? Qui ça ou ta remè boire? Qui ça ou ta remè boire? What do you have? What do you have? Qui ça ou genyen? Qui ça ou genyen? We have bottle of water, juice, and coca. We have bottle of water, juice, and coca. Nou gen bouteille d'eau, jus ak coca. Nou gen bouteille d'eau, jus ak coca. A bottle of water, please. A bottle of water, please. Yon bouteille d'eau, s'il vous plaît. Yon bouteille d'eau, s'il vous plaît. What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? Qui ça ou ta remè manger? Qui ça ou ta remè manger? A tuna fish sandwich. A tuna fish sandwich. Yo sandwich poisson thon. Yo sandwich poisson thon. Would you like something else? Would you like something else? Est-ce que ou ta remè yon lot bagay? Est-ce que ou ta remè yon lot bagay? No, just the bill. No, just the bill. Non, jis factia. Non, jis factia.